What's going on, YouTube? Oh yeah, I'm back. Pop self-made, self-made. We self-made. We getting money. We be gym. We been getting money. If you got a N54, let me tell you something. Those grounds, these right here, these grounds, mine wasn't like. See, they got like another boat down there. You know what I'm saying? Mine wasn't tight right here on number 5 and 6. Man, when I tell you I spent some money on this car, trying to figure out what the misfire was, it wasn't tight. And also make sure your call packs, make sure they, like, whenever they clamp down, make sure that the thing that goes in there goes all the way back. Because if sometimes the call pack clamp goes bad. Like, your call pack could be good, you know what I'm saying, but this clamp won't make this connector push all the way back. You know what I'm saying? Like, small things like that, that's just what I'm saying. Oh my God, I just took like a 30-minute, hour ride. This car been sitting. Like, I take the other car to work. You know what I'm saying? Like, the ground wire and the call pack thing right here. Oh my God. Lock in. Self-made, pop self-made. I don't want to touch nothing else. I don't want to do nothing else at all. You know what I'm saying? Since I got it running right, I don't want to do nothing to the car. I'm going to get another car. Oh, the 3.2 coming soon, you heard me? My old lady said no, but hey, bro, you can't tell that to me, man. I might upgrade them right there. I'm going to make it look better, clean it up and everything, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, project car. I never did nothing but pay for the car. Like my oh my God, I'm stuttering. I paid $2,500 for the side of this car to be fixed. That's more than half of what I paid for the car. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know how to find cars. You should hear when I hit that motherfucker, man. Stop playing.